Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I 3D printed this makeup brush holder. How cute it looks, but also it looks kind of plain. So today I'm giving it a glossy, glass-like finish using my UV resin. So let's get started. Here's everything I'm using today. Of course, my 3D printed brush holder, a UV resin, and it's from the brand called Let's Resin. You can also buy it from Amazon. A UV lamp. Let me show you. See? And it is also from the brand called Let's Resin. You can also buy it from Amazon. And always remember, sunlight works too. And next I have a brush, or you can also have a silicone spatula. It is just for the applications. I have this cute little makeup brushes and it's for cleaning. And these are cute little painting brush. This is for the application, and you can also have the silicone spatulas. And last is my gloves, of course, for my safety. First, I am making sure my brush holder is clean and smooth. So these are my makeup brushes. I will use it for my cleaning. And if your print has rough edges, a little sanding can help before applying resin. Always make sure. So it's almost clean. And next I have these napkins. I'll put this inside my brush holder so that my resin can't get inside. So my next step is I'm applying a thin layer of UV resin on my makeup brush holder. A little goes a long way. You have to spread it. You can also spread it by silicone brush or spatula, but I am using my painting brush because I think it is more easy. Make sure everything is evenly spread, and always make sure to coat all sides evenly so you get that perfectly glossy look. Now it's time to cure. I'm using a UV lamp for about 2 to 5 minutes per side. If you don't have one, you can also leave it under sunlight for a while. It already looks so shiny. I'm doing a quick check to make sure everything is fully cured and glossy. It looks so good. If there are any dull spots, just add another thin layer and cure again. I'm in love with it. Look at this transformation. It went from dull, matte to glossy and high-end just with the UV resin. And that's how you can gloss up any 3D print using UV resin. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more DIYs. Let me know what I should 3D print next. Till then, see you in next video. Thank you.